Hello guys, happy Sunday everyone. Today I'm gonna cook my Filipino food. It's called the Misua, but I have some noodles here that I bought from Oriental store here, but it's different kind. But I'm gonna try this one, guys. This one is this kind. Misua ang lulutuin ko, guys, with sardinas. Yan. And I have some, what's the name dito? Patula. Dalawang patula, guys. Ang presyo is $1.45. See? So, okay. Magbabalat na ako ng aking patula. This one, guys. Balatan ko na, guys.
I'm gonna charge my drone again. Because Jaden got his drone out. And once his charges, I'm gonna charge mine and then we're gonna race.
His is still working? The smaller one, like you had before, right?
Yeah. He lost his charger, but me and Dad have the same charger.
Oh, yeah? So you let him borrow your charger?
Dad, can you help me take this thing off? This thing is so aggravating to pull off.
What?
This thing.
The cover?
Oh, there, I think I got it. A little.
Tapusin ko na nga lang itong dalawa. Ngayon dito, guys, sa lugar namin, Sunday, 1 o'clock, late na pala yung lunch ko. 1 o'clock in the afternoon ngayon. Maganda sa labas. It's very sunny. But then, the temperature is very cold. It's like 40 degrees. So you still need to wear your coat to go if you go outside. I have to put some tomato. Masarap pag may tomato, yung miswa. I had to get some tomato. This kind of tomato, guys, they are on like the kind is compare tomato vines. They are still in the vine. This one, I love this kind. Super sweet nila. Super sweet kind. Matamis. Parang galing from your garden pa din. See, nakabind pa siya, guys. Okay, kupaanin na natin yun. nagluluto ako guys, I always use this one. My olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. Okay guys, ayan. Nag-brown na siya. Isunod na natin ang sardinas. At saka isunod din natin ang tubig. So, I have to wait until this water here will boil for like 5 minutes. Ayan guys, kumukulo na yung tubig sa miswa nating lulutuin. At ngayon ilalagay ko na tong noodles. This kind guys. Ay! See? This kind. Japanese kind to siya guys. So we'll see. I hope it turns out good. Ayan guys, nalagay ko na yung noodles. Dito guys, nalagay ko na to. 2 roll lang ang inano ko, sinahog ko. Kasi seems to be so many. Ganyan guys, oh. Nakaseparate siya guys. Ganito. Parang stick lang ang dating ng peg. Per noodle siya na pwedeng magiging miswa. Japanese style to siya guys. Nabili ko sa Oriental store. So, we'll see if masarap ang resulta. See, may 3 pa akong naiwan. See, may 3 pa. Lalagay ako ng magic syrup, guys. Ayan, nalagyan natin ng magic syrup kunti. Hindi ko gamitin ang lahat. At saka, ilagay na natin ang patula. Ayan. Mabango na siya. Gawa sa patula. Mabango patula ito, guys. Yan, takpan muna natin. Parang kumulo again ng another like 4 minutes. Ayan na guys. Pwede na siyang kainin soon. Anyway guys, I add this one so black pepper. At saka I put a little bit of salt. I use Himalayan pink salt guys kasi sabi daw mas healthy. So, yan. Kahit anong gagamitin nyo guys, pwede din. So, yan. Kumukulo na siya. At I will put this one. I'm gonna serve for my lunch. Ayan, guys. Luto na ang aking miswa na Japanese noodles. Pwede pala siya, guys. Masarap. At ako'y kakain na sa aking rice. I have some few fruits. This one, and I have this one, my miswa. Masarap siya, guys.